I'm getting ready to bottle up my Hearty Hibiscus vinegar. If you can see that beautiful color. So this is a vinegar that I started making a couple of years ago to get some extra minerals and nutrients from herbs and things into my diet. So in this vinegar, which I use for salad dressing, and I also use it as like a tonic with bubbly water. It's a sipping vinegar as well. And it could also be part of a fire cider if you wanted to go that route. But here at the farm, we have a lot of nettles. So inside this vinegar, there is nettles, there's some rosemary, there's some thyme, there's some oregano, garlic, of course. And then I also added additional herbs and plants that are beneficial for the heart. So hawthorn berries and fennel and hibiscus flower, which gave it that beautiful red color. And I just infused it in apple cider vinegar. I'm going to have it in here for about 6 weeks and then strain it. And then this will be one of the products that I offer when I am around at festivals and fairs. And then it will also be listed on my website if you would like to try some. But of course, you are encouraged to make some of your own as well with different plants that you have as an abundant supply in your own garden.